Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Tech Tricks. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can delete the alternate rows from the Excel. So let's start. In this Excel, you can see in the column A, I have so many data, and now I want to remove the alternate rows from this data. Like you can see the pink color data, like whatever the data is there in the alternate rows, like whatever is showing me high, I want to remove all the rows which contains the data high. Okay, these are present in the alternate rows. What we can do, come to column B. Okay, here just write true, and down you can write false. Now what you have to do, just select these two and go to this part in the corner, put the cursor here, double click on that. Okay, now just select this row, come to home, click on filter, and then in the filter you just click on okay, fine. So I have to remove the rows which is containing the data as high. So for high we have given false. So what we are going to do is we will select the false option here and then select the entire thing and right click, delete row. Now everything got deleted. Now again click on this row, select all, and now you can see whatever the alternate data was present, we got the same thing here. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, just subscribe my channel, like this video and share as much as you can. Thank you.